Late harvest Vendemmia Tardiva. Do you know what it means? Come find out. Lugana Vendemmia Tardiva. Today we talk about the beautiful whites of the southern shores of the Lake Garda, the largest lake in Italy, a beautiful cradle for wine and Mediterranean plants. Is just like a garden over there. The Romans knew it really well. There's some beautiful villas over there. 5 little towns, Peschiera del Garda, and then you've got Sirmione right there on the lake, Pozzolengo a little bit inland, and then you have Desenzano and Lonato. The variety is always Turbiana, Lugana. And we're talking about a wine that has been famous for centuries, and a lot of people are accustomed to the dry version. Vendemmia Tardiva means late harvest. So when you actually are going to be harvesting around September for Lugana, if you just wait a little longer, what's going to happen? That the sugars are going to concentrate more in the berries. And as a result, you have more alcohol, or sometimes what you develop is that some of the sugars are not going to be developed. So you have a little bit of a residual sugar over there. But mostly what happens when you wait longer, there's going to be some more complex aromas. As a result, you get more of, together with the citrus character and almonds and the marzipan, that is more of a sweeter, like honeysuckle, honey actually, acacia honey. And it's more about the ripe pears and apricots with a bit of a tropical twist. On the palate, what's going to happen? You have more glycerin, you have more oiliness, you have more balsamic elements that comes through the palate, like tangerine, the skin of the tangerine. Just, you know, when you just open a tangerine and you have beautiful aromas, that is not just about the fruit, but it's about the peel. So that's balsamic for you. There you go. Some basils, some just like flower, like sage flowers, and these more velvet feeling altogether. So it's more of a more voluminous kind of wine, which is gonna go perfect. In terms of matching for the wine, I was gonna say, here you wanna go for some cheese, maybe even a little bit of like a blue cheese if you wanted, or some foie gras, just with some pain brioche, I think would be perfect. Or some heavier dishes, like if what it should be going fish, you can go for some like heavier sauces, right? I think this is going to be perfect as an aperitivo, served quite chilled actually. People are going to be loving this sweet velvet touch. Look at the color, viscosity. It's very luscious. Always with a mineral note. I was going to add up like these mineral notes that come through the nose and on the palate. Have you watched our next video yet? Well, if you haven't done it, go for it right now. And for more tips, tricks, and of course, love, you gotta follow our channels and subscribe our social media. It's the opposite. Follow our social media and subscribe our channel.